Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm unboxing the Hot Wheels Vintage Racing Club BMW 2002, a stunning 1:64 scale replica of the classic 1968 model. The attention to detail is impressive. Let's dive into the unboxing. Here it is, as it comes with the detailed headlights and taillights, along with the Blistine logo. This diecast features number 2 and BS on the sides, adding to its authenticity. The first edition was released in 2012, and over the years it has appeared in the premium version, such as Hot Wheels Car Culture series. But this year, it makes its debut as a part of the Hot Wheels Vintage Racing Club. As its popularity keeps growing, making it a timeless diecast in the Hot Wheels lineup. So, what are your thoughts? Leave a comment. So, what makes BMW 2002 so special? The name refers to its 2-liter two-door sedan, known as the Beamer. The 2002 redefined the compact sports sedan when it was introduced in 1968. With a 2.0-liter inline 4 engine producing around 100 horsepower, impressive, as it offered the great performance and easy handling. This BMW 2002 showcases the excellent driving and engineering, making it a classic icon. Now that I have explored the history, let's talk about the miniature gem. I picked up at Fred Meyer for just $4. It's a neat looking car in white with red and white stripes, as the white symbolizes the simplicity and elegance, making this diecast a fantastic addition to any collection. So if you are a BMW fan, don't wait. Grab one from your local store or online. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you own one? That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as creating these videos takes time and resources, and your support means a lot. I'll be back with more diecast car reviews and histories. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.